Um, Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a thumbnail for your games. So I already got these two we got timer and a variable. So you're gonna get a timer and make a variable which can be named whatever you want. Then you're gonna want to add a set timer to a when flag clicked. Make sure to add a hide too. Well, not the set timer. A set timer variable to timer, and what that will do it'll make the variable set to the timer. Okay, next you're gonna add it forever, and boom, it'll do it forever. But when you press the stop button, it will continue going. So the timer will continue going, and the variable won't. So what you're gonna want to do is get a when loudness equals, not equals, like greater than something. Make it timer instead of loudness. Then put in the timer variable, and then that will, it'll do what you would expect. So then you can add a show to the when timer greater than time variable, or you can do a cool effects like, okay, so like your thumbnail. So the thumbnail will go to like something, and then make sure it's a show first though, and then let's just make it go like that direction, but not, or turn that 15 degrees with the left turn. Then we're gonna make sure it glides down, glide down. You won't actually glide down if there's no glide down thing. Just make sure it glides down on your screen. Then we're gonna make sure turn that the other way 15 degrees. And then, okay, so now when we do that, a thumbnail will come in. But make sure you actually hide the variables and like the timer. So this is the finished product. It'll come in, and yeah. So you can make the thumbnail whatever you want. Let's just, I don't know, let's just make a look at a person, and then when you stop, it will come in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah.